ordered some decals from the guys from Savage Graphics. You might know the man. He's one of the fastest oaks on the East Rand. He thinks the world, but we know otherwise. How are you, Mr. Ferrix?
Good on you.
Lekker. We're just going to walk you through it because I think it's really interesting. You think that your sticker kit just appears. It's not quite like that. So it all starts with the template. So there's your template there. Talk us through it.
So this is the new Ducati V4 template. So it starts off literally as a plain white template. We put design into it.
And very often you draw those yourself.
Yeah, 100%. This is all drawn custom to the bike, to the race fairings. Yeah, for every single motorcycle has got a different template.
Right, and then you just push a button and the design appears.
Yeah, 100%.
That's how it goes. Ching. There we are, done. Right, next.
Yeah, so we sort out a design. This was a KTM that we did.
Yeah.
Sort out the design. It gets sent to the customer in this design proof. When they're happy with it, they give me the go ahead. We get it ready for print with bleed lines on.
Okay, so that's what looks like print. Let's move to the table. That gets printed on a big sheet printer. I'll show you the next step. Right, so from the computer, it literally goes through that machine and it prints a big ass sheet like this. There's your sticker kit. Am I right? In a very nutshell.
Correct. So this is the sticker kit printed on the base material.
What is the base material?
We use Substance, which is a material from the States.
Yeah.
Designed specifically for off-road bikes. It's high tech. It's got air release technology. It's literally the best material money can buy.
The material you use is what's critical. Am I right?
It's the single most important thing in the process. Yeah.
Okay, but this isn't it. You won't see it in the video, but it's actually quite dull. There's another step that follows this step now. So what happens on your plain sticker? It then gets a thick laminate, and this is very often where the cost comes in, because the laminate is basically what holds your stickers in place when you're on your motorcycle. And from what I understand, you get all sorts of different kinds. You can have gold base, silver base, flex, anything you want, roses, daisies, you name it.
So the standard option is always a high gloss laminate, which is the one we're doing now.
Yeah.
Then you get the next best thing is the matte.
Yeah.
Which obviously isn't as shiny, and then you get gloss with gold glitter and gloss with cosmic glitter and all these lacquer fancy things which come at a price.
Yeah.
But yeah, they obviously give you that individuality a little bit further than just having a custom design on your bike.
So you can see the rollers pulling that's a solid sheet. It's being pulled through. Then you just peel off the edge of the laminate, and it applies it in such a way that there are no bubbles and things, because the bubbles and things are what make your sticker kits not last so well.
So this is what obviously protects your stickers from your boots, from crashes, from all of that lacquer stuff that we do to our bikes. So this is my way of laminating. Not everyone has the same laminator, there's different processes. This is how I found what works best for me. As it rolls out, you can see the laminate is
You can instantly see the sticker kit's suddenly gone all shiny. It looks very, very nice.
It does take a few days for the laminate to bond to the base material.
Cool. Right, so the next step to make the laminate bond properly, it goes through a little bit of a heat process. And this machine's very, very clever. We've been watching it for a little while. It laminates the sticker kit and it cuts it according to the little cut marks. I'll show you all of that now. Very cool. Right, now what this clever Roland machine does is it lines it all up, it reads the block marks, and then you'll see it's going to push it through, and then slowly it starts cutting out each thing. If you've done media before, you'll know that every one of these little stickers has got a bleed. So there's a space for error, simple as that. You can see it's lining it all up. Right, so we're just watching it finish up. It's very smart. It looks for the lines, cuts it all exactly to size. We'll move on to the next process. So this one was in the machine when we arrived, and you can see now how easy this is. It's very appealing, eh? Oh, that's terrible.
Very easy, everyone can do it.
Yeah, anyone can make it, of course you can. Only $50. And then the trick is just to make sure that the actual bike decals stay stuck. You don't want them lifting and getting air under them. Then it's just a case of little touch-ups. Very often it's a machine process, so the guys go through it with a fine-tooth comb just to make sure everything's nice and smooth. So when the stickers arrive at your doorstep, it's simple application. Right, so this is now getting ready for packaging. And Grant, you said it needs to cure a little bit, is that right?
So yeah, look, you can stick it on a bike straight away, and you can go riding straight away, but you might pay a price for that.
Okay.
The laminate needs to bind to the base material And then after you've stuck it on the bike, it needs to bind to the plastics as well. So
Okay.
it's better to not rush these processes.
Leave it for a day or two and then put
Even
it on.
after it comes out the printer, it's supposed to dry for 48 hours before you laminate. Yeah, you can rush these processes, but it's just better not to.
Right, so now you can see it's all been cut up nicely. Pre-packaging is ready and they're going to put it away. And this is how you receive your sticker kit when it lands. There we go. So if you guys think it's all an automated process that's imported from the United States or China, it's not. This is handmade just for you. How cool is that? Right, so here's an example of what Grant has done. This is his bike. It's wrapped. You can see it protects the plastics. You can see scuff marks and things, but these plastics are roughly, the decals are 20 hours old. So that's pretty cool. Do you give any kind of a warranty, or is it one of those things where...
No, look, if I stick a sticker kit onto the bike, I know that it's been done right.
All right.
If someone phones me after one ride and they say it's coming off, I'll replace the stickers, no problem.
Absolutely.
I won't even ask a question.
Yeah.
The single most important part about sticking a sticker kit is cleaning beforehand.
Yes.
And lots of people don't do that, and that's where the problems come in.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't have a warranty or anything per se, but within reason, I'll replace it.
Absolutely. No, well, that's brilliant. So, guys, that's Savage Graphics for you. Something special. They wrap cars, motorcycles, shop fronts, anything.
Anything that needs a sticker, I'll do.
Yeah, and you've done some superbikes as well. Superbikes are big business at the moment. We'll post up some pictures. Lekker, thank you for your time, sir.